the ocean where humans have not yet fully explored. The ocean, a vast and mysterious space that covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, has always been one of the last lands that humans have not yet fully explored. Hidden under the deep blue water is a vibrant and magical world, home to millions of animal species, from the smallest creatures that are difficult to see with the naked eye, to giant creatures that humans only dare to dream of seeing once in their lifetime. When we mention animals in the ocean, perhaps everyone will think of fish with a myriad of shapes, colorful coral reefs, or schools of jellyfish floating with the ocean currents. But in fact, the ecosystem on the seabed is much larger and more complex than that. Each water area, each different depth of the ocean, is a separate habitat for different communities of creatures. At the surface, where sunlight still penetrates through each wave, you will encounter countless colorful creatures, like blending into the coral reefs or green seagrass. That place is home to creatures that often move in groups, closely bonded together to survive in the face of lurking dangers. Animals in these waters often have the ability to swim quickly, react flexibly, thanks to which they can escape predators or chase prey in the endless battle for survival. As you dive deeper into the dim light, you begin to sense an air of silence and mystery. In a place where light is just a faint glimmer, animals here have evolved to adapt to the low-light environment. Many species possess the ability to bioluminescence, creating light from their bodies to attract prey or communicate with others. Some species use that light to distract predators, while others use it as a beacon in the dense darkness of the deep ocean. This is a world of strange creatures with strange shapes that you may have only seen in science fiction movies. They have existed silently for millions of years, witnessing many changes of the Earth, while still maintaining an inexplicable mystery. The deeper you dive into the ocean, the colder the water temperature and the more terrible the water pressure. In the deepest waters, where humans rarely reach, are home to animals that have never been seen before. They live in harsh conditions where life seems impossible. There is no trace of sunlight. Everything is immersed in eternal darkness. The creatures here often have strange shapes, sometimes with giant jaws and sharp teeth, sometimes with soft, transparent bodies, to minimize the effects of water pressure. Their lives revolve around searching for precious food sources that drift down from the upper layers of the water, or hunting smaller creatures in the deep darkness. What is special about the animal world under the ocean is the balance and close connection between species. Each species, whether big or small, strong or fragile, plays an important role in maintaining the stability of the ecosystem. The existence of one species is sometimes the survival condition of another. A school of small fish is food for larger predators. Creatures that live attached to the seabed, such as sea cucumbers and starfish, act as ocean cleaners, helping to clean the seabed and regenerate life in the surrounding environment. That connection creates a closed cycle, where nature balances itself to maintain life through the ages. Every time humans discover a small part of the ocean, we are more amazed by the richness and mystery of the animal world here. Each species is a masterpiece of nature, bearing the mark of millions of years of evolution. Therefore, the ocean is not only a place to nurture life, but also a priceless treasure of knowledge, reminding humans to appreciate, protect, and preserve the wonderful gifts that nature has bestowed. Perhaps because of its vastness and mystery, the ocean and its underwater animals always arouse the passion for discovery in each of us. Whether you just listen to the sound of waves lapping the shore, or actually dive down and feel the rhythm of the ocean, the animal world there always has a strange attraction. And then, we will realize that the creatures at the bottom of the sea, whether quiet or majestic, all contribute to creating a beautiful and vivid picture of the diversity of life on this blue planet.